Good day everyone. I am Erlvin Sibatron from Section G1M. Today, I am going to share my best 5D meal to prepare or to serve. Day 1. My breakfast food is bato, also known as long bean or sitaw. It is a nutritious vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It supports digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and provide antioxidants that may protect against chronic diseases. Incorporating batong in your diet can enhance overall well-being and promote a balanced nutrition. For my lunch food is batong and ampalaya, my favorite, also known as buttermilk. Is a nutrient-dense vegetable that offers numerous health benefits, rich in vitamin C and A, as well as essential minerals like potassium and iron. Ampalaya supports overall health and boosts the immune system. Its high fiber content aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. The vegetable also contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, promoting healthy skin and reducing inflammation. Saring gulay or mixed vegetables is a traditional Filipino dish that typically combines a variety of fresh vegetables such as carrots, beans, cabbage, and bell peppers. This colorful medley not only enhances the visual appeal of a meal but also provides a rich array of nutrients. Each vegetable contributes its unique vitamins and minerals, making the dish a powerhouse of nutrition. For instance, carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is essential for ginataang talong. This is a Filipino dish made with eggplant cooked in coconut milk. Offers several health benefits. The eggplant itself is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which can help support digestion and improve heart health. Coconut milk, while high in calories, contains medium-chain fatty acids that may provide a quick source of energy and support metabolism. Together, these ingredients create a flavorful dish that not only satisfies the palate but also nourishes the body. So this is batong with kalabasa. This is a nutritious dish that combines protein-rich beans with vitamin-packed squash. The beans provide essential nutrients, while the squash adds fiber and antioxidants, making this dish both hearty and healthy. Additionally, the blend of flavors creates a delightful meal that satisfies the palate. On the other hand, ginataang talong features eggplant cooked in coconut milk, adding healthy fats and a creamy texture. another saringolay. This saringolay is a delightful mix of vegetable that includes sayote, kalabasa, talong, and okra. Each of these ingredients offers a unique set of nutrients that support overall health. Sayote is rich in fiber and vitamins, promoting digestive health. Kalabasa or squash is packed with antioxidants and is excellent for boosting immunity. Talong, or in English eggplant, contains compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels. Finally, okra is a great source of vitamin C and K, which contribute to healthy skin and bones. Talong. This talong is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It is low in calories and high in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Additionally, it contains essential vitamins and minerals, including the vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. These properties make it a healthy addition to any breakfast, providing the energy needed to start the day. Tortang talong. This is also my favorite food. This is a popular Filipino dish made primarily from eggplant, which is rich in vitamins and minerals. The eggplant is grilled, peeled, and then dipped in egg batter before being fried. Creating a savory and satisfying meal, this dish is low in calories but high in fiber, making it great for digestion. Additionally, it can be easily customized with various proteins or vegetables to enhance its nutritional value. Overall, tortang talong is not only delicious but also a healthy option that supports a balanced diet. Sayote with egg. This sayote with egg is a nutritious dish that combines the health benefits of sayote or chayote with protein-rich eggs. Sayote is low in calories and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When cooked with eggs, it creates a satisfying meal that supports muscle health and energy. This dish is also versatile, allowing for the addition of spices or other vegetables for extra flavor and nutrition. Overall, sayote with egg is a delicious way to nourish the body and enjoy a wholesome meal. Boiled eggs. So, for today's morning, my morning food is boiled eggs. This is an excellent source of protein, providing essential nutrients that help keep you full and satisfied. They contain important vitamins and minerals such as B12 and selenium, which support energy production and immune function. The healthy fats in eggs can also promote heart health when consumed in moderation. Additionally, they are low in calories, making them a great option for weight management. Starting your day with a boiled egg can help improve focus and concentration throughout the morning. Another saringolay. featuring kalabasa, okra, and talong. It's a nutritious dish packed with vitamins and minerals. Kalabasa or squash is rich in beta-carotene, which is beneficial for eye health. Okra provides dietary fiber and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Talong or eggplant is low in calories and contains antioxidants that support overall health. Together, these vegetables create a colorful and wholesome meal that can boost your energy and overall well-being. Adobong talong. This adobong talong, made primarily from eggplant, is a nutritious dish rich in vitamins and minerals. Eggplants are low in calories and high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. This dish typically incorporates garlic and soy sauce, adding antioxidants and promoting heart health. Cooking eggplant can also enhance its nutrient absorption, making it even more beneficial. Ultimately, including adobong talong in your diet can support overall well-being and contribute to a balanced meal plan. Eggplant is one of my favorite. It is a versatile and nutritious food that offers numerous health benefits. It is low in calories and high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and weight management. Rich in antioxidants, eggplant helps protect the body from free radicals and supports heart health. Additionally, it contains essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin C and K. Incorporating eggplant into your diet can enhance your meals while contributing to your overall wellness. Adobong talong, made primarily from eggplant, is a nutritious dish rich in vitamins and minerals. Eggplants are low in calories and high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. The dish typically incorporates garlic and soy sauce, adding antioxidants and promoting heart health. Cooking eggplant can also enhance its nutrients absorption, making it even more beneficial. Ultimately, including adobong talong in your diet can support overall well-being and contribute to a balanced meal plan. Adobong batong or beans stew. This is also available in our boarding house. This is a nutritious Filipino dish packed with protein and fiber. The primary ingredient, beans, support muscle health and aids digestion. This dish often includes spices and vegetables, enhancing its antioxidant content. It's low in fat and can be made with minimal oil, making it heart-friendly. Enjoying adobong batong is a delicious way to boost your plant-based meals. And that's all of my 5-day meal best way to prepare or serve. Thank you for watching my vlog, and God bless you all and keep safe everyone. Bye bye.